We're here at the Draggers Museum in Burlington, Washington, voted the best museum in the area. It's a great place to see cars, engines, toys, and it's Christmas time, so it's all decorated. So for Adventures with Leo Schumaker, let's have some fun, see some nice cars. We're talking to Jerry Dragger about this beautiful place here. Jerry, how long has this been in operation?
Well, I've been doing this forever, but this place is, February 1st, it'll be 6 years.
Well, why did it get started?
Well, I've been doing this my whole life. I mean, I got stuff in here that my dad, I got a rack back there that my dad had, and see up there, the 1934? That's where my dad became a Harley Davidson dealer in Aberdeen, Washington.
I'll be darned.
And down on the floor, right underneath there, there's a rack there, settling towards the rack. It's in that photo.
Now, are you a welder?
No.
What are you by profession?
I'm this.
You're-
This is all I've ever done.
Wow, what a great thing.
Never worked for anybody other than Uncle Sam when I was a 6-monther. Other than that, I worked motorcycles.
What was your first car?
First car was a 51 Mercury Coupe. That was my first car. I think we took it in on trade or so on a motorcycle, and so I needed a car, and there it was. Then I'm going up 4th Avenue, one way at that time, all the way back there. And if you go right, you just keep going with the signal light, change, and they had it set up good. So I get there about 4th and Spring, and a 40 Chevy comes up the hill. The woman was driving a pretty car, a sedan. She hit right up on the corner. I made money on that car because she crunched that and they paid me money to fix my car and I just hammered on it a bit. Sold it, made some money on it and everything else.
And what was your second car?
Second car was another trade-in that we got in, and it was a 55 Ford and it was a four-door. So that was my second car. But my third car, now that was a different story. Third car, so I went, I was in high school. I was about 18, 17, 18. I was 18, I guess. Anyway, that's when I graduated in 1960. Anyway, I was looking around at stuff. I almost bought a 1959 Chevy Impala convertible with a Continental kit, with a 348, with a 4-speed on it, and it was brand new. And they wanted $29.95 for it, $2,995. I mean, it was like $3,600 is what the brand new price out the door was, but they had it discounted because here we are, we're in 60s, not 59. They still had it left over, but I didn't have enough money to buy it, so I didn't buy it. I ended up buying a 58 Pontiac 4-door hardtop, and it was beautiful. It was white, kind of a creamy white with a beige insert and the matching interior. It was beautiful. But it had airbags.
Wow.
And those airbags would deflate from time to time. Actually, you could drive over after you've been driving, you go into a drive-in and you stop. It would settle down, and when it settled on the bumper over the step there, it would drain the air out of the front suspension. When you backed up, it bounced down, but then it'd pump right back up.
Now, was that usual to have airbags in that time spot?
Yep, 58 Cadillac had them. I mean, a lot of the big cars have them.
I didn't know that.
If I could have changed it real easy, I probably would have kept the car. But you know, that's just the way it is. So
We're at Draggers Museum here. It's a beautiful place. It's open house. It's going to have a band here. Christmas decorations everywhere. How many cars do you have here?
we're pushing 40.
And how many do you have at home?
Oh, I don't have any at home.
Okay.
Everything I got's here. I got another space. I got about 4 cars in, but only because we're a little tight on room here.
How big is the Draggers Museum?
We got 20,000 feet here.
Well, it's a wonderful location. I mean, it's right off the freeway here in Burlington, Washington. It's exit
232, I think.
232. You got to come over and check this place out when they have an open house. Do you have open houses all the time?
From time to time. I never know what I'm going to do.
What's your favorite, most valuable car here, right now?
Well, I'd probably say the 54 Corvette. You know, I just got that. It's Bloomington Gold award winner. 98-point car at Bloomington Gold. They restored that car all the way, the total, you know, rotisserie restored, and they did a beautiful job on it. And the fact that it's not been driven much, it's only got 225 miles on it. In all that time, it's just a trailer queen is what it's been. Nobody wants to drive it.
I'll drive it.
No, that's okay. You want to buy it? You can drive it.
Now, is there a website we can go to come here to make a reservation or plan an event here, right?
Oh yeah, we have events going on. We just had a big Christmas party 2 weeks ago.
I'm a member of the
club.
club.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. You showed up at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock instead of 4:30. What was I thinking?
Yeah, and we had a great time. They had a great time. So,
Good. Good.
It worked out very well.
And the website?
Draggers.com.
Draggers.com. You got to come check this place out. I'm going to film some more cars here. I'm going to have a great time. One of my favorite things to do is to come over here and see a car museum. Thank you, Jerry.
You're welcome. We also are #1 in Skagit County for museums.
There you go. You got to come over. Thank you.
I don't bother chasing mice around. Sneak down the alleyway looking for a fight. Down to the moonlight on a hot summer night. Get the blues while the lady cats cry. I'm a stray cat, you're a real long guy. Wish I could be as carefree and wild. I got cat class and I got cat style. Guitar.